In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a chart inside of Quantower. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Quantower like you usually would. Then from here, it should bring something like this. And now from here, you'll need to go up to where it says chart over here, and then you'll need to right click on it. And then from here, you'll be able to create a panel. And then you can create a chart. Once you've done that, it should bring something like this. And here you'll be able to change the chart or the symbol for the chart to any of these ones right here. So let's do this Euro or USD, for example. And then from here, you can add the time, where I can change the time from either 1 minute to up here to 3 days, 1 month, and so on. From here, you can also change it right here if you want to do that. And from here, you'll be able to change whether or not it should be a candle, a bar high close, line, dotted line panel, or just the Quantower general panel. You can also over here choose one of these to create your strategy and paint inside of the chart if you want to do that. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!